In this house, love was not given freely. My dear, I am so proud of you.
I love you, Mama.
Marianne, go to the well. Take the jug.
Yes, ma'am.
What if I told you everything you're watching was made with free AI tools? No 3D software, no animation skills? Sounds crazy, right? AI can now create jaw-dropping animations in minutes. But you may run into a problem where your character loses consistency across multiple scenes, especially in longer videos. So how do you fix that? In this video, I'll break down a simple, repeatable workflow that keeps your character perfectly consistent from start to finish, with flawless lip sync. And the best part? It's all completely free. I'll show you step by step how to generate your animated clips, add natural facial expressions, sync the dialogue perfectly, and edit everything together into a polished cinematic story. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a professional-looking animation ready to share without spending a dime. So let's dive in. Step 1. Create a detailed animation story with the help of ChatGPT. Start by copying the master prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT and generate. Within seconds, ChatGPT creates the entire workflow. A complete story script, clear character profiles, text-to-image prompts for every character, scene-by-scene prompts for the full animation, and image-to-video prompts with dialogue already included. Now it's time to turn the plan into visuals. Open Gemini and click Create Image to use Nano Banana Pro quality. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the first character prompt. Add this to the prompt. Full body pose, white background. This step is important because generating the character on a white background in a full body view makes it easier to maintain consistency, reuse the character in different scenes, and refine details later. Repeat this process for every character in your story. The result is a polished 3D-style character with clean lighting, sharp textures, and a consistent look designed for animation. Next, let's generate the scene images, and for that we'll use Google Wisk. Step 2. Creating consistent scene images with Google Wisk. Free and easy. Open Google Wisk. It's free and super easy to use. Optionally, add an image reference by uploading a picture to guide the AI for style, colors, or character look. Enter your text prompt to describe the scene or character you want to create, then choose the aspect ratio that fits your scene best: landscape, portrait, or square. This is the final result from Google Wisk. Clean lighting, strong atmosphere, and a consistent 3D. Look perfect for storytelling and animation. Let's do the same for scene 2. Simply upload the image reference for the second character, paste the prompt, and hit generate. To create a scene with more than one character, simply upload multiple image references, one for each character. This helps the AI understand their appearance and keep them consistent. Then describe how the characters interact in your prompt and hit generate. That's it. Now repeat this process for each and every scene. As you can see, we now have all the scene images ready. An important thing to notice is what doesn't change. The characters stay the same, the style remains cohesive, and the world feels connected. Once all the scene images are ready, we move on to animation. Step 3. Bringing the story to life, animation, dialogue, and narration in Grok AI. Open Grok, click Imagine, and upload your scene image. In this case, I'm picking one scene to work with. Then go back to ChatGPT and copy the matching image-to-video prompt. Paste it into Grok and hit generate. And just like that, the image comes to life as a fully animated shot. The motion is smooth and the expressions feel natural and alive. It feels less like a simple AI output and more like a polished mini studio quality clip. Now in this scene, I'm using 2 characters with a shared dialogue. For the best results, always make it clear who's speaking by labeling each line. something like girl and widow. Keep every character's dialogue on its own line so the AI can easily separate the voices. It also helps to give each character a different speaking rhythm, short, gentle lines for one, and slightly longer or slower lines for the other. Most importantly, keep the dialogue natural and well-paced. A clear structure allows Grok AI to understand the rhythm and assign each line to the correct character, giving you smoother animation and more believable performances.
Marianne, go to the well. Take the large jug.
Yes, ma'am.
Marianne, go to the well. Take the large jug.
Yes, ma'am.
Here's another example where I have with two young girls in the same scene. To help the AI clearly distinguish between them, I use the same method by labeling each line of dialogue with the character's name, along with a short detail about the character, such as age, clothing, tone, or personality. This extra detail helps the AI better understand who's speaking and results in more accurate voices, timing, and expressions.
Careful, Marianne. Don't splash my dress.
Yes, Clarice.
Careful, Marianne. Don't splash my dress.
Yes, Clarice.
Now let's talk about narration in Grok AI. For better results, always clearly label whether the narration is female or male to avoid any voice confusion. Make sure to separate the animation instructions, narration, and audio into clear sections so the AI understands each part correctly. Finally, describe the narration voice clearly. For example, soft, warm voice or deep, calm voice, so the AI can naturally match the emotion, rhythm, and timing of the narration with the on-screen visuals.
Before the house awoke, Marianne worked in silence, and in the quiet light of morning, Marianne stitched her hopes into every thread. Clarice loved beauty above all else, and spent her days admiring the girl the mirror returned to her.
If you're not happy with the narration, simply go to 11 Labs, paste your script, choose your preferred voice, and hit Generate.
Clarice loved beauty above all else, and spent her days admiring the girl the mirror returned to her.
When you follow this structure, the animation stays consistent. The expressions match the moment, and the lip sync remains on point. From here, you can simply repeat this exact workflow for the remaining scenes. Step 4, put it all together in CapCut. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import all the clips you generated in Grok, then drag them onto the timeline in the correct order. Next, add smooth transitions between each clip to keep the flow natural and cinematic. Click on Transitions. Choose a style that matches your scene, and keep it simple for a clean, cinematic look. After that, add a simple animation to make the visuals feel more energetic and engaging.
Kind of heart.
After that, add captions to boost retention. Go to Text, select Auto Captions, and generate your captions. Choose a clean, readable font, then style them so they pop. Once you've finished editing, click Export to save your story.
Long ago, at the edge of a quiet forest, there lived a widow and her two daughters. Clarice loved beauty above all else, and spent her days admiring the girl the mirror returned to her. Marianne, the younger one, was gentle, patient, and kind of heart.
And that's it. You've just learned how to transform a story into a fully animated 3D cartoon for free. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials on AI storytelling, and leave a comment if you have any questions.
House. Love was not given freely. My dear, I am so proud of you.
I love you, Mama.
Marianne, go to the well. Take the jug.
Yes, ma'am.